What's up guys, my name is Brock. I'm here in beautiful Napa, California. I'm a singer-songwriter and today I am checking out this awesome new product. It's called Rocketbook. Check it out. And I'm using it to write down lyrics, and what I love about this product is that you can write down lyrics, whatever you want with a normal pen. And you can take a picture of it and upload it to your phone in a PDF version or JPEG, and you can save it to your computer, and it just minimizes all the clutter. Because I love writing lyrics on it with a pen and paper, but this just makes it way more easy to organize, and it's sick. So I'm gonna do a little demonstration for you guys how it works. So you just download the app. It's pretty simple. Let's see. Download the Rocketbook app. Write down your lyrics or write down your notes, whatever you want. And you just scan the page and it uploads to your phone. Super simple, super awesome. I would recommend this to anyone who does any writing on pen and paper. It's gonna save you paper, it's gonna help the environment, and it's just a dope product. What's up guys, my name is Brock. I'm here in beautiful Napa, California. I'm a singer-songwriter, and today I am checking out this awesome new product. It's called Rocketbook.